The Applied Force Interactive Calculator solves force dynamics problems in mechanical systems. This calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options, including net applied force and mass from force. It also calculates acceleration, friction coefficient, required force with friction, and force components by angle. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Net Applied Force. Input fields include mass, acceleration, applied force, and friction force in their respective units. We also have normal force, friction coefficient, application angle, and gravity defaulting to 9.81. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for mass, acceleration, applied force, and friction force. Next, I'll enter 10 for normal force, friction coefficient, and application angle, keeping gravity as is. After clicking Calculate, the net applied force shows 100.00 newtons. The calculator indicates the object is accelerating in the positive direction, overcoming resistance forces. This tool streamlines force analysis calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.